Hi everyone, and I'm coming to you on my floor. So yeah, there's my dress. Get that out of the view, kinda. Or just go like this. And then you see my unorganized closet. You just gotta pick and choose these days. It is the 4th of July. I'm kinda wearing a patriotic shirt. Kinda. So happy 4th. I thought it would be a fun video for me to come on here and just do some makeup. I'm sitting on my floor. So yeah, I'm normally sitting on my bed, but today I decided the floor is the way to go. So yeah, I'm gonna grab my makeup stuff. I got a lot of new makeup stuff, which I showed you in my hauls that I posted. So yeah, so we're just gonna sit here on my floor and do some makeup. Yes. Okay, I don't know what type of look I'm gonna do though. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Is what type of look am I going to do? I thought about doing maybe like a festive look since it is a holiday, but I'm also not really going anywhere today. So I don't know. I have a lot of makeup. I'm trying to think of what I should do. This may, I feel like this video is either gonna be extremely long or extremely short. So I'm gonna take my glasses off and this is what I'm gonna use to prime my face. It's Physicians Formula Argan Oil. I'll spray my face with it. Okay, we are primed. Prime, maybe a little bit more. Oh, that just like squirted in one spot. Ew. Okay. Okie dokie, artichoke. Okie dokie. God. That like literally got in my mouth. I'm a mess. Okay. I think we're good. I think we're primed. Ugh, that literally got in my mouth, but that doesn't taste good. Okay, so we're literally primed. I had to check if this was recording because for a hot minute I thought, oh my god, I've been talking to myself. Okay. What am I gonna use for I got this new concealer. I got this at Walmart and I think I might test this out. Got it on clearance at Walmart. So yeah. Maybe we'll test her out. I don't know. She seems like she might be a little too dark. Slightly darker. Maybe a good match. Don't know. Where's my, oh there it is. Grabbing my handheld mirror. Yay. I'll try not to, oh. Yes, because this is, gotta turn it around. It's one of those days. So let's try it out. Let's see if she is like a good match. Oh, I should have wet one of my like beauty blenders or something. But I didn't. I'll just use like a brush that I have. That's probably not the right brush to use, but it doesn't matter. I am not a beauty guru, so. I'm gonna just try putting it like there. Oh, it doesn't seem like too bad of a color. I'm just dotting it all over my face. And then using this BH Cosmetics brush to blend it out. I don't think that's what you're supposed to do, but like I said, I'm not a beauty guru. I just I need to definitely add more. Also ignore my TV in the background. I have this little like spongy little guy that I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna kind of just do the same thing, just dot it all over my face because it actually kind of looks good. But then I feel like I'm gonna get it all over my face and then it's gonna be like, oh yeah, that's not good. Like that's gonna happen. Should I just rub it in? Can't you tell I do my makeup all the time? No, obviously not. I don't really wear makeup often because my skin usually does not like it, so I'm try to limit how much makeup I wear because I don't want to be broken out a lot. I'm getting my nails like covered in concealer. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay. I think I might put a little bit more under my eye so it doesn't look like I haven't slept in a year. Because I don't know why my eyes are so dark. Because it's not like I don't sleep. I sleep perfectly fine. Well, kinda, but... So it's not that at all. It's just like my under eye just constantly is always looking... Oh god, don't fall over again. Okay. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. Like, my light is knocked over because I'm clumsy. I'm just gonna leave it knocked over because it's daytime, so I have a decent amount of light. I can't believe that happened. I'm gonna have to edit all that out. Okay. So now I'm just kind of making sure it's blended. I still look really dark, but that's fine. That's fine. Ooh, that's kind of nice. I kind of like that. Where'd it go? There it is. I kind of like this. This is actually not bad. Of a concealer. This CoverGirl concealer? Not bad at all. Okay, I gotta be super careful because I don't want to keep knocking you over because you're just stacked on top of a bunch of random stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put my glasses back on for a second because I really cannot see that well without these. What else should I do? Physicians Formula face powder, and I use it a lot, obviously, and it's all broken up. I'll just get my powder. And then just put some powder on. Yes. This is kind of usually what I do though, just some concealer and some powder. Yep, and call it good. Okay. Ooh, should I wear, I have this like crazy bright orange eyeliner. I've never opened it. Should I do that? That's tempting. I might test that out. But I need to figure out what else I am doing with my face because I never plan anything. Eyeliner. I should probably put something on my eye. Try to put some concealer on it. Might just get some powder and go over my eye with it because I'm not a beauty guru. Some powder on there. But, okay. Now I am going to... So, yeah, I'm going to test out this. I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna... I'm not good at eyeliner, so... Oh, this is very wet. And it's very bright. You guys see that? It's kind of cool looking. I kind of like it. Let me try and continue it so that I could show you guys. That looks crazy on camera. It's kind of cool though. I'm gonna do it on the other eye. I like it. And just a little floop. But yeah, if you're wondering what this is the Profusion Cosmetics Electric Bold Liner. If you're wondering. Okay, I gotta do the same on the other eye, which is always scary. Because I feel like the other eye never looks as good. Okay. Maybe I'll just use my other hand, maybe? A little spooky. A little spooky. Whoa! How did I mean to do that? Oh god, how do I... It's been so long since I put eyeliner on my eye that I literally don't know what I'm doing. I got some on my lashes. The left eye's kind of messy. Does it look kind of messy to you guys? It looks kind of messy to me. Ah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that eye's a little bit messy, but I don't know if you can tell on camera though. Like when I get up close, they look pretty much the same. Oh dear, I'm getting it everywhere on this side. I need some makeup wipes. I'm gonna grab some real quick so I can kind of clean up the sand of my face. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, and I'm going like that and clean up my right ear. Ooh, there you go. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go and clear mascara. Ooh, look at those lashes. Ooh, this is a really good clear mascara. I like it. Do the same on the other eye. I know this like bright orange does not match what I'm wearing, but it's fun though. I dropped it. Jeez. Heck yeah. Cute. Okay. So lashes are done. I think I'm just gonna choose a lipstick and call it a day. Let's look. I have some new like lip glosses that we can try out. These are from Maybelline. It's a bright eyeliner. Great. Ooh, I have this little, I might put a little bit of this. This is a Ofra, an Ofra like highlighter, but it's like pinky, so it's kind of like a blushy color. Let me put some of that on my face. That's just a little brush. Oh god. I might grab too much. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm kind of going for a crazy look today, Bosha. I don't really care. Get a little bit of this pink highlight on. Nose. Orange color. Should I just go with like a nudie, like a nude gloss? Because this is kind of like a nude gloss. Let's try that. Let's try it and see how we like it. How does that look? Just having some gloss on and bringing literally all the attention to the eye. Ooh, cute. I like it. I like it. Ooh, this is some more mascara. I might put a little bit more mascara on and then just use like a regular mascara, not a clear one. Yeah, those lashes are good. Okay. Oh, I gotta clean these glasses. Do. So yeah, this is I guess the final look. My brows are a bit messy. I'm gonna like gel them back or something. I guess I could just use that clear mascara to gel back my brows a bit because I don't really shape my brows too often. Like every once in a while I will like pluck them and shape them, but usually I just kind of leave them how they are. As long as it's not a unibrow, I'm fine. That's my standard. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna gel back my brows a bit with this clear mascara. there we go. And that is my look for today. I like it. I like this bright eyeliner. I need to get more colorful eyeliner. This is nice. So yeah, so happy 4th of July. Today was just a makeup video, I guess. Just playing in makeup and testing out a few things I have not yet tested out yet. I really am like obsessed with this eyeliner. So yeah, so like I say, subscribe if you want to. If you want to like it, that's cool. And also feel free to comment. Comment whatever. Yeah, so this is the look. I mean, it kind of matches. Kind of goes with what I'm going. My hair's not done, so that's why it kind of looks messy, but it's today's video. I definitely want to do more makeup videos on this channel, but yeah, I'll stop talking and rambling. So bye.